I'm here with John, still at CCIF. John, can you tell us at Collision Repair Magazine all about what you do?
Yeah, I'm a second in command of Hail Specialist Canada. We're a nationwide PDR company, which is paintless dent repair. We fix hail-damaged vehicles without any bodywork. Meaning, generally speaking, we get behind the dent with special steel rods, and we massage the metal back into place so well that you can't even see it when it's done. And I swear to God, you wouldn't believe it if you saw it. And that's what we do. So we repair customers' vehicles that have been damaged by hail, primarily for insurance companies and body shops.
Awesome. All right. And John, the first night of CCIF is now just kind of winding down now. What are kind of the standouts that you've observed here on the show floor?
Well, for me, the whole thing is about networking and meeting people. But every year, I've been coming to CCIF 4 or 5 years now. Every year I notice is more and more vehicles have more and more computers, and they have sensors for lane changing and sensors for backing up and sensors for not tailgating, and all these things become more and more complicated every year.
Yeah.
And a lot of the presentations, because of that, a lot of the presentations here cover that angle where you got to watch out for this and you got to watch out for that. And I'll tell you, if I was running a body shop, like we don't have a body shop, we do repair without body work, but it must be quite frightening right now in the industry because there's so many things that have to be checked and calibrated after every repair.
Right.
And you know, the price to do the job doesn't necessarily go up, but the complications are huge nowadays. Huge.
So, a bit of away from the disruptive side, what are you most looking forward to in the year 2020 for the industry?
Well, for my part of the industry, which is hail repair, I mean, obviously I'm going to hope for more hail. But I mean, going forward, I think the biggest part about the whole industry is dealing with the change right now.
Yeah.
Like this started maybe 5-10 years ago, the computerization and the change, and it affects us too. Even though we don't do body work, we do work on cars and take parts off and go inside. So there is issues, and those are the kind of things that to learn about taking care of those issues is really, I think, a big part of the focus of DCCIF right now.
Yeah.
CCF, sorry.
Well, anyway.
I got the letters wrong, but you know what I mean.
That's fine. John, thank you so much for talking with us.
Quite welcome, quite welcome. Have a great day, guys.
Thanks for watching. This was a Media Matters production. If you liked what you saw, subscribe for more or check out our other videos.